So what's the rule?
If someone says drink, they drink.
What was that?
But she's the.
Okay.
Starts now.
Oh wait. Oh wait, you drink. I said whose turn is it?
So many people ask the question.
Oh no. I said the word.
Wait, what?
Oh, and I.
You're drinking with your right hand.
Oh.
Drank. So
Yeah,
No.
that's gone.
What?
That's gone.
Oh, you said
Oh,
the
it's
word.
gone.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, drink.
I didn't.
See that? You also drink.
Oh, and you have to drink. Oh. You're my mate. Hello, everyone.
Hello guys, welcome to our vlog.
Hey.
Don't forget to subscribe
And like the video.
and
Oh, yeah.
ring the bell.
A bit higher.
Some of this
Good?
Yes.
Are we seen?
I can't see. I'm too
What?
blind.
Please
A
comment.
bit
Yeah.
up.
Wait,
A
wait.
bit up.
I can't see it.
I can see
You can
myself.
see it. Yeah.
Adam, is it playing?
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Oh!
I'll drink
Cut
one.
out, Cam! That's fine.
What's five?
Mustard.
Okay. Let me know, yeah.
It's anytime, right? It's anytime. You can choose anytime.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think my first drink of like 10 minutes.
You're good?
Sorry.
Zero sugar sucks. Right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Five.
What's that?
Five is.
Oh.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh.
New rule is you cannot say yes or no. Okay. You can't
Okay.
say yes, yeah, no, or no.
Oh.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
yes,
fine.
no,
Wait. Yes? Yeah.
Oh crap.
no or no.
Okay.
It's over, right? It's over.
I didn't.
Yeah, not yet.
Wait, I forgot the rules. Do I?
It's over.
It's over.
What's over?
You already used it.
Okay, yeah. I'm just naturally.
Oh!
No.
Nice.
Correct.
Wait.
Incorrect.
Yeah.
Okay,
So I choose you again.
Possible.
Wait, how?
Wait, so if I drink, you drink.
If he
Or
drinks, then you drink.
if he
Yeah.
drinks, also if Annika drinks, you drink.
Oh my god.
So it's all
You
bad
can do
for
that.
me.
Yeah.
Basically, us three.
Wow. Wait. New rule?
Speak in one syllable words.
One syllable.
So
What do you mean by like one syllable?
yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay.
So.
Oh.
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 Wait. One syllable.
Up.
Starting. Now.
We speak. Oh.
Oh.
Si. La. B.
Thumb.
Thumb.
Oh.
Thumb.
You.
What? You. Me.
Mate.
Not me.
Mate.
Why? Oh.
Mate.
You.
You. Sig.
You better. Then.
Me. You. Us. Me.
More.
Drink.
Chi.
Hers.
Game
Over.
Cheers.
Wait. So you.
Yeah, it's a finish.
Yeah.
Finish.
Okay.
Morning, Jello.
Oh, so nice and cool. Oh wow, it's a bunk bed, double bunk bed.
So cool.
Welcome to my.
It's all good to mine.
Oh, it's not very.
One of our rooms, yeah.
We already called it.
You haven't seen the room next one. Hey.
Hey,
You have to see it.
as soon as you enter the room, shotgun. The view. The other room. It's exactly the same, but opposite. Dibs the top.
Okay.
I'm joking.
Wait, do you guys have chargers up there?
Yeah, of course you do.
TV.
Oh, we could have played the Switch.
Oh, here we go. Here
I
we
didn't bring my Switch.
Oh, why didn't you bring the Switch?
Why didn't you bring the
Why'd you
Switch?
Because you said not to.
No space. Oh, it's single bed, so you should probably just take the bottom
Oh,
one.
Pala, you can actually
They're kind of big for like.
No, you're gonna fall. If
We
we have to stay up here, down here. Oh, hello. Too bad, too bad.
Okay, request railings.
You're gonna fall down this number.
Uh,
Oh, you have to request.
You can request for the
Pardon?
bed guard.
Sobra pa eh.
Sobra pa pero 5 mo.
Yeah.
So,
Because na, two.
2, 4, 5, 6. Nga binilang cases. Sinabi ko, ay sobra-sobra. Kaya ako.
do your face.
Your face.
Wait, my turn. Wait, when it's in the camera, it doesn't work. I think Annika does it the best because she does it every time.
You look like Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The
Smolder.
smoldering. Calamansi juice.
Are they the same size?
I think so.
I think so. Yeah. Is this what's this?
Like a little bit more.
Sugar. Want some sugar?
Let me try it first.
You can eat it.
That's the sugar, yeah. There's
Oh
a nice
yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Frozen iced tea.
Iced tea.
Oh, I think it's, yeah.
Is this alcohol or not?
No. Ice cream.
I'll eat them right now.
One lemon.
Yes. So sweet.
It's frozen iced tea.
Frozen iced tea. Wait,
Yeah. It's an iced tea slush.
Hey guys.
That should be illegal.
Oh, try it.
Go try
This
this.
is so much better.
Frozen iced tea.
I will.
Iced tea slushy.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's so nice. It is sweet.
When the ice melts, it's fine.
All our food is over here. It's coming. We waited so long. All the rice, yeah. Thank you. We got the chicken. Thank you. Wow.
Is that very correct?
Yeah, electronic.
bagoong.
Oh, that's one.
You have two. You have
Look at the
two.
chips. That's crisp.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
6 pieces.
It looks nice though. It's very good. Oh. So chill.
Look. He's so soft.
Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Oh, I'm sick.
Stop scratching.
Itchy.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm sick.
Good girl. Oh my God, she's
So tiny.
oh yeah.
Oh, it's a different eye.
Oh my god. So cute.
It's cute.
Look at
Like so derpy.
Another cat.
It's so cute. Ano yan? Ano pangalan niya? Max po. Max! Ito ba, Max? So sweet, baby. Oh, so cute.
Baby ko talaga yan.
Oh, it's not tiny. No, do it. You can do it. Yeah. Surprise. What? Hold on, hold on. Pull it up, like hold it, and then. Yeah, like that. Oh! Hey, surprise. You like it?
Yeah, it's fine.
You see the jiggle, it jiggles.
It's like literally wood.
Other one. So many. Ube.
Oh, gusto ko yung ube.
O yung avocado.
Hindi, yung avocado, common na sa amin. So, alternates ko yan.
Dahil mo kuya ha, kasi makalimutan kami. Baka may
Ang galing niya.
What's the yellow one? Mango. Cheese.
Cheese.
Ayun. Oh.
Alternate ako. Tatlo.
For everything.
180 natin.
Race 700 steps with our slippers. Let's start. Oh, so tired already. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So actually step, count everything. 8, 9, 10, 11,
How many minutes?
12.
We actually put some sports mode.
406. It's 406 now.
Sports mode time.
Sports mode time.
We have to hurry up
Why?
because we have to continue.
Last?
Oh, so just 900, 800 more.
No. 600.
Oh, 600 more.
You gave up?
We can do it. We've done 100 already.
I think the last 100's gonna be
It's not like...
cheap. Same.
Hold it there. Coron. We've done like 300 steps.
Yeah.
Oh, are you thinking to go back?
Let's go back if you want.
Is there a quitter?
Wait, what? Winners never quit. Why did I say losers?
Just now. Everyone's split now. Oh wait, no.
Everyone's split.
No.
I thought it was ice in those parts.
Kajal's determined. All the way there.
Getting there.
Almost there. Yeah. So tough. Kajal was first. Look at this. Coron. And the cross. Few more steps. Yes, you made it almost. Ooh! Hey!
Come and shake, go and shake.
Yeah, spent so much. Free Afonso. Oh, Cameron, Ashley is there. Oh, they're all here. They're all coming. I thought they gave up. 10 more. Killy. Oh, after she said killy. Yay! Oh. There's no treasure, no drinks, no water. Oh, Anton as well.
I'll pay £10 right now.
We have to go back down. 10 more steps. Yay. Yeah. Okay, let's go back down. Oh, I can see McDonald's. Come on. Yes.
Let's go, let's
We need to wait for Ali.
Oh, he's catching up.
Yeah.
Made it.
Hi.
One more.
One more.
Yay.
Yes.
I didn't say we're not doing climbing.
Yay. Yay, final one. Wait. Out of breath. Should rest first.
Wait, let's rest for a minute and then like quick picture.
Yeah, and then we go.
So where's the view? This.
Which one?
So we're gonna
There.
there and this one.
Yeah.
Quick one each. One. Two.
Oh, back down. I'm feeling I'm gonna fall.
I don't
My legs are just gonna give up.
I feel like anytime they're gonna. Whoop.
Yeah. Oh no.
No.
Made it down finally. Need water. Go water. I want this.
Go.
Why?
Go.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go. This
By
needs
yourself.
us.
Go.
I don't know when he looks.
Yeah. That's how I was going down earlier.
Oh, that's how it felt like.
Yeah. Then as soon as you stop, your legs
Oh, shaking.
your legs are shaking.
Hot spring.
Hot spring. Yep, I think it's
41 degrees. Yeah. Have you tried it? It's hot. Yeah, it's quite warm. Oh my god, it's so hot. How am I meant to do this? Yeah, it has to be gradual. Even the floor is hot.
Oh my god. Oh, it's hot.
Oh, it's not. No. No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Put your leg in.
Ah.
Put your leg in.
Jacuzzi. A jacuzzi.
Actually, I need to change.